force me out. You're gonna force me to play some weird shit.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
We'll just stand right here, Bulls.
Alright, what we're gonna do...
about thinking ahead, bro, is like, as soon as I started thinking more about this game as like a MOBA, I actually do less and ladder. Because like, I'm not focusing as much as on like getting picks and shit like that. I think like a tank sometimes when you play DPS and it fucks me up.
Yeah, can we get Zen please? Zen please? No one.
Yeah, I'll play Zen.
So I know what you're talking about. Like,
Our summer's gonna go left, we're gonna rotate all the way around through the back on right. As they rotate, we can literally hack their brig, okay? We're gonna hack their brig and then just go in, okay?
Got it, I'll
Everybody go
focus
right,
brig.
come right, come right, come right. Everybody right, everybody right. When they rotate to meet us, that's when you hack, okay?
Got it.
Oh, we're going
Keep
up
coming,
there.
keep coming, keep coming.
Why are the other two supports not there? What are they doing?
Come.
Yeah,
Drop. Keep going, get through. No.
All the way, come on.
All the way.
Spoken.
They
I
know
want to
we're
make
going.
sure there's no one on high ground. See this
Okay.
Zarya? We have to knock her off high ground. Come with me.
okay, I was found.
We have no bubble, no external.
Yeah.
Move there.
Sorry.
I got pinned. I'm dead here.
Sorry, slow.
I'm down.
Brig's low as well.
I'm just getting ult charged, dude.
Yeah, I'm 70 on my ult, so it's all good.
Yeah, it's
I'm just gonna
fine.
dip, bro. I'm gonna be out of here, bro. I'm going to their spawn, dog. Like, I'm out. See you. And then I'm gonna wrap around and kill like 2. Right? Tell me when you're all ready to push. Cause I can just flank behind them, I can burst down their Zen, and then I can discord their Ryan and you can charge
Alright,
them.
we're just waiting for our Zarya to come back.
Their Lucio's looking for me. If he finds me, I can 1v1. Are you guys ready to push?
No, we're not even close,
Alright. Just let me know when you're ready.
Here, we'll push left so you can flank on the right.
Alright, yeah.
We almost have EMP.
Alright,
Just come
cool.
right.
No, actually,
Oh,
yeah,
yeah,
ready?
we're here. Yeah, we're here.
Yeah.
Ready for me and P? No, 3 seconds.
Sorry,
Okay.
half.
We're done.
That's right,
I'm shouting behind you. No bubble.
Holding.
We can still win with EMP. I'm
Are you
almost
sure?
Yeah.
Yes.
I believe so.
I
Yes.
got their freaking Lucio Pog.
Winnable.
Sorry.
Oh, Zen got me. Feels bad, yikes.
I don't know.
Back him back.
Reset. We don't have a run. Can't
Oh,
wait.
Lucio,
Group
you can
quick,
brute there.
group quick.
The brute potential.
No.
Come pick me up from spawn. I have trans. Their Zen should be coming back as well.
Yeah.
He won't make it. We have to go in right away though.
Yeah.
Right away.
Let's go.
And we grab right away because
Yeah.
they
yeah.
will go to
They're
trans.
gonna grab bomb. They're gonna
Push
grab
right,
bomb.
push right.
They're going to grab bomb trans speed and
Push right.
shatter.
Go,
Okay, we're all here.
No DM.
I'm healing.
Ready?
По готовности.
I'm
Огонь по готовности.
Run is low.
Wait, why the fuck we trans?
It's fine.
Okay,
It's
okay.
back up.
it's all good.
Oh, I have Shadow here. What do they have?
Get
They
out.
have
Fucking boost up
they have Shatter. They have Trans. They have Beat. Did they rally that fight?
Yes.
Yeah, they did. Yes, they did.
Okay. We can push aggressively. We can try and force out. We're gonna have to match their support ult with ours though.
Lucio, you're gonna try to wanna boop the Reinhardt.
Yeah,
That's our plan. You
We're
are.
gonna have to boop Shatter or force an ult. Like they don't have rally though. We don't have rally. Just push left.
Wait, I'm low.
They should have shatter.
My arm's getting you up.
Okay, I'm going to boot the Reinhardt right now. Ready? Let's
I
do this.
got it.
Alright.
I'm focusing shield right
They're
now.
protected.
I blocked his though. Big.
Nice.
Focus Zarya. Run.
Moved him.
Where's
Oh, you're
Get out.
taking so much damage.
Get Zarya, just keep
Run,
going
no.
out.
I have my ult. Just
We have to get out. We have to get
Lucio
out.
has to get
20
out.
seconds. We have to get out.
Oh no, sorry,
We
said.
have Grav Bomb here. We'll have Trans.
They're gonna push up.
I'm
get
going
touched.
ball.
Yeah. We need a ball to touch.
Just speed in. I might be able to Kobe that shit, but
They're gonna grab us at spawn though. Like when we speed in.
I'm
you can
Kobeing,
just
I'm
hold
Kobeing.
DM.
I'm the one who swapped.
Go.
I told you, easy.
I can make it. I made it.
Zarya's one.
Nice.
On point.
Hit
Zarya's
the
one.
brig one.
Run, kill Ryan.
Run. Stay alive.
I shattered three.
It's on point.
I'm dead.
oh no.
I'll touch.
Get in.
I'm with you, Zarya.
You guys doing that? Just
Kill Zen in the back, kill Zen.
Then back.
I'm reloading. I got booped away by Ryan. I got booped. Help me on point. Help me. Help.
Oh, dude, Lucio's one.
Keep touching. Our ball's almost in there. Oh.
Oh, yikes.
That bomb fucked us.
Yeah.
I called it was on point, but I think he went for a shatter.
No, I had already shattered and then I shielded it, but I still died to it somehow. I think someone broke my shield.
No, let's just run normal goats here.
Oh, I need to restart the match.
Yeah, it's fine. I think we're not. I think oil, like when you're on break, right? Like we weren't like you like I think like try like fuck.
Hey, stop saying like. I'm just kidding.
All right, when you swing your flail, move your mouse in the direction of where the flail is going.
Like
Yeah,
you
so
do
it hits
run
more
her.
people, right?
Yeah, cause you're like you should be getting rally like way more, and if you hit more people, we'll get more inspire, which is like cause we're getting like no healing right now,
Yeah.
and like you and as break like you do the most like main healing like
Yeah.
in
Yeah,
ghost.
my
right?
healing is low. Like I'm not gonna lie, my healing is low, but like I don't know if I hit flail too much and like my shield isn't up enough, I'll get discorded and like right click for the 100 charge Zarya. So I'm just getting used to like playing somewhat
yeah,
passive.
I think it's just like you haven't played a lot of brig like cause we're like cause I
not
feel
in
like
a goats comp at least. Like I know
Yeah,
how to. It's
so
pretty
it's like-
easy, but
yeah, cause I just feel like I'm playing like how I normally would, but I feel like I'm not getting like as much healing or like you know what I'm
Yeah.
saying like.
Yeah. You're just taking a lot of damage.
we are taking a lot of poke too before the fight
Yeah.
starts. We need to work on just like staying grouped in LS.
Yeah,
LOS.
Ryan, I'll try to stay with you more. I'm just trying to like, Diva and I are just battling for high ground for this whole time.
Yeah, that's fine. That's what we need to keep their Diva and their Zarya high ground.
I think also just not playing LOS before we engage would help a lot. Like just
Yeah.
macro ult charge too.
I'm trying to keep my orb on you more. I was having it on
Play
debuff.
right side. Play right side. Play right
Yeah.
side.
I'm eating fire strike when he throws it.
I got first hit. Yeah. Okay.
want them to push left,
Save
just
your
go first.
armor pack more, like, because now we don't have it for this fight, so now I have to play really passive. They use both bubbles.
These both bubbles. They're both
Oh,
bubbles.
push Ryan.
No bubble, no bubble, no bubble. I just used it on.
It's done.
Diva. Hello?
Runs.
I'm
Keep
healing
coming.
you.
Keep coming. We can win. Like.
Two more low.
5 seconds.
I'm almost back.
Zarya's half. Zarya's full.
Yeah, Zarya is like
I'm
inside.
too low. We can't do this.
They're gonna have shatter. They're gonna have grab.
Yeah.
Let's back out. I got.
Go through snacks. Go through snacks. So you don't take any poke. Are we all here?
Nope.
No, we're still waiting on Zen.
Yeah, Zen.
There's Zen has ult.
Just keep backing.
Guys, try to play more defensive. You're taking so much damage.
Okay, their healers are pushed up right over here.
Yeah, come, push. Come. We have Zen back. Come.
I'm saying high ground.
They might try and like grab us from behind. Just watch out for that Diva.
Ryan, high
Sorry,
ground.
Sorry, dropped. I'm with Ryan. Oh, I
Mine's
didn't.
low. Big
Nice
boop.
spin.
I got
Almost
you.
here. Yo, we spawn camp them. We spawn camp them.
Yeah, I'm down.
Come up. We
Keep
want
going, keep
Zarya
going.
and high ground here. Get up here, Zarya.
I'm coming.
Lucio, too far.
I'm good.
Let's go. I got
Oh,
you.
it's crazy. Literally.
We all go up
All
here.
right,
We all stay
ready?
up here. We just maintain control of this.
Yep.
Ready? Once they start moving, we drop on the Zen.
Watch out, they're gonna
They have no
jump, they're
bash.
gonna
Go now. Speed on the Zen. On the back. Go this Ryan.
Move down.
Big.
Oh god, it's big on both sides.
I'm grabbing right here.
B.
Big. Absolutely massive. I'm pinning Ryan.
We got them to use both their support.
I have shatter.
They grabbed. I grabbed this.
They bombed. Yeah, they beat that.
That's fine. We still have 2 fights. Just get out now.
Yeah, I'm just staying on point. That Zarya is so scared to grab. It's hilarious.
Alright, I have shatter again. I'm gonna try and shatter like Brig or Lucio and just like everybody focus them, okay? And just push up main, put them main with me. They have shatter as well again.
Move down.
Blocked.
Nice.
Oh,
I had
Good job,
4, I had 4.
Big moving.
Zen.
Zarya
I
one.
got him.
Break low.
Break. Nice.
Nice.
Diva
Diva
low. Kill the Ryan, kill the Ryan, kill the Ryan. Nice.
Mac.
Leave Diva, leave Diva.
Try
Can we
and
get that
Zarya.
Zarya?
Try and get
Don't let
Zarya. Get her, get her, get her.
Get her. We can't let her get out. We have to
No,
kill her.
no,
we have
no
to kill her.
person, no
We're here,
personal.
we're still here.
Kill the
Oh.
Zarya. We gotta kill her. We
She's
gotta
out,
kill
she's
her.
out. Deputy!
No, dude, you're dead.
Too far.
Deputy,
You're
too
dead.
far.
No, you're good. You're good. You're
No, I'm
good. You're
fine.
good.
I got the armor pack.
Gotcha.
You have no speed. You guys are dead.
We're fine. We're fine. We're fine.
Just
You guys, they have
follow
grab.
us.
They
I
have
have a
grab
transfer
shatter.
if we need
They
it.
have grab
Shut,
shatter.
shut.
You shouldn't
They have grab
fire
shatter.
shake
They have
that,
grab
buddy.
shatter. D trans.
They have everything. I think we lost this point.
Yeah.
Don't use anything. Just get out.
Don't heal. Don't heal. Don't heal.
Ash, come back. I have Shatter here. Okay. I'm gonna flank Shatter them when they come through. Okay, ready? Because everybody back
They
up.
know you're there. They know you're there.
They have no idea. They literally have no idea.
My god.
Going now.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh, okay. I got
I'm
Ryan.
getting hard focused, dude. I don't know.
Just get out. Reset, please. Reset, please. Get back. That's all. We're gonna initiate with bomb, get the trance out, and then we grab.
Alright.
They're moving forward. Zarya on the right side.
I have another
Wait,
turn.
dude, we can just grab bomb here like, and kill them. We don't need to like
Yeah.
bait out the
I'm gonna rally.
trend.
I'm
Just
gonna rally
bomb.
this in.
Огонь по готовности.
Don't.
They fucked the bomb up.
Yeah, shoot that bomb.
I got pinned. I got
Kill Ryan,
pinned.
kill Ryan.
Oh,
It's fine,
right
it's fine, it's
Run
fine.
behind. Run behind.
We can beat. Oh.
Okay, no,
Chill,
somewhere
chill,
else,
chill.
somewhere else.
Zarya Discord.
They have
Diva's
no
low,
bubbles
Diva's
right
low.
now. Get Zarya, focus
Zarya.
Zarya.
Hey, back up.
I-
Ben, chill. Ben, chill, Ben.
It's fine, it's fine.
I literally booped their bomb. That's why it screwed up.
Good job.
Oh, that Ryan's flying.
I know.
Come back, Lucio. Actually, come back.
The most important kill
We
is always
need,
the Zarya.
yeah,
like,
we
'cause
we
can't
charged
let
the
them get
Reinhardt.
energy.
We charged the Reinhardt out of the fucking grab, okay? That's our plan right here.
Yeah.
Yo, I.
We have to.
Okay.
We fight early
Also
though.
another
We need to
chance
bait out
here?
the bubbles. We need to bait out bubbles as well.
Okay, do it whenever.
They use projects.
Oh, I got destroyed. Be careful. Be careful.
Maybe not play more back.
They're gonna have support ults.
Grab.
Charge him. Charge him around.
Oh, I died instantly.
We got one. We got
Fine.
one.
Just back up.
Back up.
I don't think we can get out of this.
Soft reset.
Ah!
No. Lucio feeds so Zarya can get out. Oh, never mind.
Gosh.
MF, try to play it further back. You're like up there, and our whole team's like back, so you're just getting bursted down.
Yeah.
Who?
I have trans here for last fight.
Yeah, okay, we can go in the trends. They have Shadow here.
We're not making this last fight.
No grab, right? No
We win
grab.
this.
Oh,
Go,
fuck.
go.
Let's go.
They're trying to boot me.
Boop them.
Yeah, he's gonna Shadow. They stunned me.
They have shatter. Watch out. They have
Break in the
shatter.
back line. Break in the back line. Bring in the back line half.
He's holding
Hey,
onto it so long.
He's full, he's
Bring
full.
anti. Bring anti.
I'm breaking shield, I'm
My
breaking
shield's
shield.
gonna break.
I'm focusing their shield.
I blocked.
Oh, I'm dead.
I got stunned. I
Yeah.
blocked it, but
Oh, shit.
I have Shadow coming out.
Can you get on? Why'd you go high?
It doesn't matter.
GG's.
I think we have one more.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah.